Hello everyone. In English there are two words, don't and doesn't. Sometimes we make mistake while using them. So if we understand a small rule in English, we can use them correctly. Okay. See, do not. This is called a present simple negative. Okay. Do not, our short form is don't. Okay. Does not, short form is doesn't. We use do not or don't when we start a sentence with I, we, you, they. We use does not or doesn't when we start a sentence with he, she and it. So let us take an example of these sentences. You see, we say I don't know. Okay. I don't know. But he doesn't know. We never say he don't know. Okay. Always use doesn't with he. And also you see, we don't understand. We don't understand, but she doesn't understand. Not she don't understand. Wrong. Okay. She doesn't understand. You don't work hard. You don't work hard, but it doesn't work. Like that. They don't watch TV. She doesn't watch TV. Okay. See, just understand how I am using. I don't drink coffee. I don't drink coffee. He doesn't drink coffee. Never say he don't drink coffee. With he, she, it, never use don't. And also, we don't eat non-veg food. Okay. She doesn't eat non-veg food. The children don't know. Instead of using they. Okay. It is pronoun. It is noun. The children. I used children instead of they. The children don't know. The children don't know. But Rakesh doesn't know. Here what happened? Instead of using he, I used Rakesh. You can use either pronoun or noun. Rakesh doesn't know. The people don't understand. The people don't understand. Rekha doesn't understand. Instead of she, I used Rekha. I don't eat chapati. I don't eat chapati. Ravi doesn't eat chapati. Okay. So like this, dear viewers, always use do not when you start sentence with I, we, you, they, and always use doesn't when you start sentence with he, she, it or a noun. Okay. So I hope this video, you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.